Clay Patton on the Rural Radio Network, taking a check of your closing commodities for a Monday, and the crude oil bears took a broad swipe at the entire market complex today, hence the red jacket. We'll get to May crude oil and its historic precedents in just a moment. Equities were lower much the day. That says we lost that optimism that we had last Friday as the numbers continue to build for COVID-19, and that small light at the end of the tunnel starts to fade a little bit about where do we start to reopen the economy. Chicago Federal Reserve also released their National Activity Index today. It came out at a negative 4.91, showing major contraction in the U.S. economy. Energies saw a big difference between the delivery contract, which is May right now, and that front month June contract of over $20. As we saw here, as we're talking right now, crude oil has traded as much as a historic negative $40 a barrel, meaning those that are buying the contracts, physically buying these crude oils, contracts that they go in delivery, are being paid to actually take that oil and store it. There's no storage. Some analysts estimating that's over 130 million barrels already anchored off the shore in ships, that it's just sitting there waiting for something to open up. We look over in the grains. Export inspections came out lower for corn and wheat. Corn saw the biggest drop week to week from 1.176 million metric tons last week to 683,000 metric tons this week. Soybeans actually saw a nice uptick to over 583,000 metric tons. They're still about 230 million bushels though short of USDA's goal. We see November new crop soybeans settle 846 and 3/4. December new crop corn settle 337 even. Wheat had the bull on the day with July Chicago 547 and a half, a higher close. July Kansas City 502 and a quarter. Over in the livestock, it was mixed. Lean hog saw some bull spreading. Finally, live cattle, though, just not able to get traction under themselves. Big midday cutouts, though. We see the June live cattle close 85.10, August feeder cattle $1.2765, and June lean hogs close 46.25. That's a check of your closing commodities here on the Rural Radio Network.